Have you ever seen a widow's apartment?
No.
Oh, nice. So, it's definitely not a widow. It's a big spider. Oh, that's a nice sized widow. Look at that spider though. Just for scale. That's big. Do you want to touch it?
No thanks.
If you put your finger in that hole, you can touch it. All the eggs. That's crazy. That's pretty cool to see. Ginormous widow in there and a really big spider. But yeah, not many walks have those along the way. And it's really nice out here, so green and just all native bush. It's awesome. Linda and I are off to Bell's Rock, or Bell Rock. It's in the Hawke's Bay, just past Napier. Yeah, apparently it looks awesome, so we're gonna go check it out and see what it looks like. Every time you get to the top, there's more to go because you can't see the next hill from the hill that you're climbing. So yeah, it's quite tiring. I'm not sure if Linda's gonna make it. Hey,
Make it.
you'll make it?
It might take a while.
We made it to the top and this place is awesome. We're so high up right now. Just these massive rocks everywhere. You can see so far. Such a beautiful place. It's pretty cool, eh?
It is. Amazing view.
And how long do you think the whole walk took?
Maybe close to an hour.
Bit under,
Yeah.
so a little under an hour to get up here. I'm gonna take the same track back. Gotta come check this place out. I don't think videos or pictures will do this place any justice. It looks incredible. You're so high up here. You can see so far. It's a really amazing place, so definitely come check it out if you can. Yeah, you won't regret it. So Linda and I, we're in quite a rush right now. We have to get to the Shine Falls and then we're off to Gisborne tonight. It's about 4 o'clock right now, so we don't have too much time to do that, but we need to find a campground. So yeah, I'll see you guys in Shine Falls. Let's go. We're just starting the Shine Falls track. It's meant to be a 2-hour return, and Linda and I are determined to smash that 2-hour return into a 1.5 hour trip, eh Linda?
Yeah, 1 hour.
1 hour? 1 hour. And yeah, we just jumped over the fence and it already looks amazing, so I'll show you guys that now. How cool was that wood pigeon? So yeah, that's a New Zealand native wood pigeon, also called the kiruru. Beautiful birds. You can hear them everywhere flying off. They make a really loud noise with their wings. maker. Look at this. That's so cool. That is epic.
There's something in the air.
Alright everyone, so yeah, this is Shine Falls, awesome place. Come check it out if you're ever over these ways. It's just a magical place to be at. But yeah, that's me and Linda for the day. We're off to bed now. We're gonna go find a camping ground and put our heads down. Anyway, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this episode. Don't forget to like, subscribe, hit the little bell, and yeah, you'll know every time I post a video. Catch you later, peace.